So guys, this is our current situation. Hi, B-Boy from Laag, Mindanao, and MJ from Laag, Mindanao, and Kel. Hello everyone, Shari here of Cagayan de Oro, and we are here at one of the staycations here in Cagayan de Oro located in Kauswagan. So yeah, let's check their amenities. We are currently at Kongwa, and this is the Google Map. So you will go to the St. Paul Street. We are currently at the St. Paul Street, going to Casa Fernandez, and it's located at the left side. Almost there. I think we're here already. Thank you, Laag, Mindanao, for opening the gate. Wow, Kuya is so kind. We're already here, guys.
Inside.
Wow, it's so nice. There's a parking inside the
House.
wow. Highland TV. Guys, the ceiling is so high. This is their theater area. Ang ganda naman ng couch. It's so big. Okay guys, so yun yung theater area. Ang taas ng ceiling, oh. Ayun guys, we are having a tour na. So let's go upstairs for a bit. May fireplace. And may room din dito, guys. Can we check the room? Guys, to check one of the rooms here at second floor. Wow. Wow, it's so nice. Guys, this is a dining area and you can also cook here sa kitchen. But it's guys, let's go upstairs to the third floor. Wow, ang ganda! I will not cut you, ha? So you can see everything. Wow, it's so nice! Hi! Kayo, oh. So this is the room here in the attic. Wow! The room in the attic. So, ayan guys. 1, 2, 3 occupants here. So let's go to the balcony. Oh my gosh, it's so nice. It's really a big house, guys. Pwede kayo mag-party. Okay. May CR pala doon. And then yan. May view dito. Nice kay ano ka ng mahangin. Asa yung mga room, James? Dari sa taas? So guys, ay naman mo dari. Ayun. This is the master's bedroom. This is the walk-in closet. This is where James would change his outfit. And wow, look at the tub here at the master's bedroom. Wow! Ang ganda, guys. Ayan, oh. Ang ganda. Dito naman sa Pilipinas, hindi natin masyadong kailangan ng hot and cold shower. Pag you're not around Tagaytay area or mga Baguio, ganyan, okay lang yung walang, hot shower. But here, meron sila. Wow. So guys, that's the bed in the master's bedroom. Let's go up. So guys, let's go downstairs. So yan. Yung kids. So dito guys, sa left side. Sorry, may dala akong pagkain. Ito yung parking area. Ayan yung car namin. Hello po! Ayan, ang ganda! So guys, let's go to the pool area. I'm here back, following back. So guys, pasok kayo. Pasok, pasok. So pagpasok niyo guys, bawal na palang chinelas dito. Ito yung itsura. It's really your slippers. Ganda talaga ng mga bukod sa mga nagalakas lang. Wow! Are you happy, guys?
Yeah!
So guys, part of the, may mga chairs dito, malapit sa swimming pool. Ayan. Ay, nandito pala yung karaoke. This one is comfort room. Yeah, this is the karaoke area. So guys, ito yung cooking area nila. Kitchen here. Ito yung lutoan. This is where you can cook. So guys, this is our current situation. Hi, B-Boy from Laag, Mindanao, and MJ from Laag, Mindanao, and Kel. Guys, they're currently cooking.
Hello guys, so and now we are preparing spaghetti and Bicol Express para sa mong bini. So inganin ni siya. Ingredients. So nag-prepare na mi og mga onions. Then kamolo na mi prepare sa garlic. Dayon napa mi mga kondre uban ingredients amo pa ipagawa sa inyo. So watch out sa among kuan food preparation. Yeah. Yeah. So mo to.
So guys, like and subscribe Laag Mindanao on Facebook, on YouTube, on Instagram, and TikTok. Yay! So guys, on the other part of the staycation, nasa baba yung swimming pool and tapos na rin yung kids mag-swimming. So, tingnan natin kung ano yung ginagawa nila dito sa theater area. They're watching Squid Game! Hi guys! Parang kinuha nyo yung buong place. Ayan guys, yung high ceiling. You're Squid Game, you're watching Squid Game. Hi guys! Hi! So guys, that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. And so if you are looking for a place para mag-staycation, para mag-workcation, para mag-vacation, or para mag-party guys, check out Casa Fernandez here in Kauswagan, CDO.